Carlos Jr. Heck is that? You don't even tell me that.
Because what are you doing right now?
Being your friend? Now that
2022 program, Rips and Revelations. Drum Corps International is proud to present the Blue Blues.
Oh yeah.
This cat was driving around in an old convertible. Later on, he turned into a VW
Never
van.
cared.
Near the end, it was more like a spaceship kind of thing.
Or he's driving in his
We were
couch.
high up looking over the road, but the front console was shaped like a van, and it still had the convertible top. The guy who was driving me around was an older dude, an old hipster with a weathered voice, kind of like New Reese.
Yeah, I freaking love the Blue Coat so much.
Yeah, like imagine a cross. It's common. That's the who's driving.
Yeah! Come on! Yes! Bring it! I'm about to start screaming high pitch just for the heck of it.
We're heading
I'm about to scream high pitch just for longer. I can't stand that crap.
The light was beautiful imagery, with all that nice marshmallow orange.
Come on, bring it home. Bring it home, baby. They've had those drums for a while.
My stomach. But also like this spiritual, like something was gonna happen. I didn't know what. Anyhow, as we approached the light, all of a sudden this cat in a sports car came out of nowhere and just cut us off. My man slammed on the brakes, narrowly averted the masher. Got my blood boiling, but I wasn't the one driving.
Yeah! Yeah! Imagine I hit all of them. They all fell down. Come on.
know it, we pulled right up behind that cannon of light, and there he was, glaring at us through his rear view.
That was cool.
He's all like, yeah, that's right, I catch guap.
I want to learn some of this stuff. I want to.
Do what?
I want to learn some of this stuff.
This mission is coming. I'll just call it Blue Down. Man, aren't you gonna see something like that? But Lou just looked straight ahead and said, you know, man, the only way I'm gonna put something out there like that is if I'm ready to dance with that cat. You know what I mean? You put something out there, there's consequences, you know? All you got are your actions, man. And remember, words are actions too. You wanna dance with that dude?
Yeah. He has the piano guitar. We're like halfway Is that eagles or something? I got duck. That looks like ducks.
You know, now I realize that Lou was driving me around and
All the
wasn't
cookies
even
are
thinking.
all they do.
At first, I thought he was kind of a bad influence, but actually, he was taking care of me, watching my back, talking me down for something.
Seems they've changed.
Ballet cats. Dudes
It's
and
funny how
ballet.
sometimes with dreamers, you don't realize who's your friend. Maybe all these different people were you in the dream. I only realized that when I woke up.
Tiffany only.
Yeah. Come on, Andrew.
Maybe like that.
Take her to leave it.
Let's forget this one part of it. Watch us out.
That's amazing. One person
This
forgot to
other
change
part
like
is strange,
the
full
ugly
of anger,
weapon.
like all blue and the crazy and the dream. You're all a part of it. And you know, I think they like you. The dragon is crazy. And if you don't watch out, he'll bite you hard. See, Blue knows about the dragon. He's eager to see you straight. You don't try to kill the dragon. You want to make friends with him. Harness his powers. Make him use them.
I took a school to eggs on it. Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Frick this, man. I love this so much. God. Blue. No, it's not. We still got the worst one to go. Blue Devils.